I'm greasing the grease on set.
Rami's greasing the grease. I'm after him.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be like American Idol casting tomorrow. Just a huge lineup of people, like several hundred. So many people auditioning, just a constant line all day. Lots of people, hopefully lots of good talent too.
They call me USHERRAYMYMOND. Let me tell you what you want to do with me. Gotta play with the light on the sea. Every time she want me, you can control me like so, you know.
What just happened, guys? Oh, wow.
Usher, I changed my phone number to 8701 in 7th grade because of you.
I don't think anyone can possibly love milk as much as I do. I don't know, John. Usher sure loves his milk. Please, I could drink more than that guy any day of the week. Well, he'll be here this week. Prove it. Who can drink more milk? Is it John Dunn or is it Usher? So we're about to find out.
3, 2,
Ready, man?
1. Go, John Dunn!
Come on, Ush. Come on, Ush. Ush. Wow. Wow. That's going to go to your crease, Ush.
Are you kidding me?
They can't record it. You want to do another competition?